Hello everyone, this is Hugh Carr. Welcome to another episode of Adventures in Living Lovecraft, where you and I discover that there's a mysterious, unknown little door in our houses that, upon opening it, leads to a flight of stairs that goes down, down, down into the darkness. Descending down, we find the reanimated corpse of Lovecraft. No, not really. It's where we go to the Lovecraft engine, and we push a little button, and it generates from a selection of nouns and adjectives that Lovecraft used time and again in his works, and creates a brand new phrase, very convincingly like one that he would have written. So, let's push the button together. Today's phrase is that repugnant, hissing, gory, dislocated appendage. Ugh. Thank you. Today's phrase was made possible through the Lovecraft engine. There's a link in the comments field below that you can use to go to the Lovecraft engine and have a play with it yourself. See what springs to life. And it's brought to you by the Black Dog Chronicles on YouTube, where, if you go along, you'll find a great selection of really enjoyable, spooky, mysterious, and thrilling tales for you to enjoy. The one I've presented for you this week is by Arthur C. Clarke, and it's called A Walk in the Dark. I hope you get a chance to come along and have a listen. If you've discovered the Black Dog Chronicles through here, leave me a comment and let me know. I'll see you tomorrow, I hope. And until then, I have to tell you, you always have to look out for the shadows. I need coffee.